This video is property of MBKP International, LLC. In this video we're going to talk about our paper trimmers, our rotary paper trimmers. And I'm just going to show you a few adjustments that could be made if you're having some problems with it. First thing I want to talk about is this paper cutter head here. When you want to move this, you just flip it over. You can bring it to the center. You slightly pull up on this bar, and then you can just rotate it around. The way this works, this rubber piece here, it rolls on this clear plastic part, this clear plastic strip. So it needs to be resting on that. And this blade here, it needs to go on the back side of this bar here. So when you roll it back around and put it on, you can lift it up. If you're not careful, you can lift up this blade and put it on the wrong side of that bar there, and it wouldn't work like that. It would roll down, but it's just not going to work as well. It needs to be on the outer edge of that. It just goes on the outer edge of that. That could be a problem with your, see how the blade is on the outer edge of this thing here. So it should come off of it real easy like that, and just rest on the outer edge of it. Okay, but I've adjusted this to have a problem towards the end. It will start to bind as you go down here. I'll cut it with tape a little bit. And it's starting to get real tight here. And I can start pushing it really hard, but it's starting to bind there. And I'm going to show you the problem. Basically, I adjusted this to create this problem. These bolts here, they can be adjusted, and you just got to loosen them up. And see, now this thing moves back and forth. And it's basically this bracket here. So it needs to be, typically it's around the center area. It could be a little more towards the back possibly. It's just you may need to place it just a little bit to find the best spot for it, but typically they're usually around the center of it. Let me tighten these up. Okay, and the other end is adjustable too if you need to go with that one as well to free it up. But that's basically the same thing. Now come on down, and this thing should just go right through it now. It goes all the way to the end, nice and easy now. And it cuts it fine. Again, those screws would adjust this bracket, and basically would go back and forth on this bracket. And it just basically allows this to go back and forth. So if it's too far this way, it's going to really start binding on this edge. It's going to get really tight. So by pulling it back, it frees it up. But it needs to be close enough to where it rides on it, though. So it's around the center somewhere, but you can play with it and find the best spot for it. This video is property of MBKP International, LLC.